I'm going to venture to say that 99.9% of people watching this have never seen in person a Class 1 steam locomotive. So this is very different than, no disrespect, the tea kettle that you might see at a local tourist railroad.
This locomotive was built to travel 140 miles an hour, hauling 1,000 tons across America. And it did it every day. And this is in the 1940s. Most people remember, this isn't the Acela just got going on the Northeast Corridor. Everybody's making a big deal. It's 160 miles an hour between D.C. and Boston. They're doing 140 miles an hour back in the 1940s with steam locomotives